Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here today with Doug Rucker School, and we're out here on location at a school. So we've got the equipment back behind us, and got 3 students here today. We actually have 2 guys from out of town. We have Garrett and Kevin. Kevin's from South Dakota, and Garrett is from College Station. And then we've got a returning student, Ernest Vance, from Temple, Texas, who came back to get a little bit more learning. But just kind of want to show y'all what goes on at the school right now. Josh is over there talking about house washing and how we do that, the equipment we use. And I just got done teaching a little bit about the roof cleaning. We're going to do that a little bit, some more today, and then also tomorrow is the classroom portion. But one of the neat things that I'm proud of is that we get to bring our equipment out here and show our students, especially business owners, exactly what kind of equipment we use and what's needed in order to do roof cleaning, house washing, driveway cleaning, anything that you want to do residential cleaning. So this is kind of a hands-on day, and tomorrow will be more of the classroom. It will be all classroom time tomorrow, and I have about 3 or 4 PowerPoint presentations that I'll go over, and teach on that too. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email me. Best way is to email me at pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. If you use Voxer, you can get a hold of me. That's the fastest way to get a hold of me, is on Voxer if you have any questions. But just want to give everybody a little sense of about what goes on here at the school. Again, we're doing the hands-on portion this morning. That was about an hour or so ago. Went over roof cleaning. Roof cleaning spraying techniques is the big thing that I went over. So protecting the plants, ground man duties, all kinds of different things involved in that. And then Josh is over there going over house washing. We'll start working on the house here in a little bit. But we always start off with the preliminary things and important stuff that you need to know. Again, Vox me on Voxer. That's an app. Makes your phone a walkie-talkie. That's the fastest and quickest way to get a hold of me. Or email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. You guys have an awesome day.